Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, Tech Money Minds 1. Today, we have an exciting and thought-provoking topic to discuss. As technology continues to advance, artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are reshaping industries across the globe. In this video, we'll be delving into the impact of AI and automation on jobs, and how an astounding 300 million jobs are potentially exposed to this transformative wave. So, if you're interested in the future of work and the role of AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Let's dive in. Segment 1. The rise of AI and automation. Over the last few decades, AI and automation have rapidly emerged as game changers in various sectors. From manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and finance, these technologies have been optimizing processes, increasing efficiency, and reducing human labor requirements. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and automation's capacity to perform repetitive tasks, businesses are finding new ways to enhance productivity and lower costs. However, this progress comes with a significant implication for the workforce. Segment 2. Potential impact on jobs. According to recent studies, approximately 300 million jobs worldwide are potentially at risk due to AI and automation. While these technologies create new job opportunities in specialized fields like AI development and maintenance, the mass displacement of workers is a growing concern. Jobs that involve routine tasks, such as data entry, customer support, and some manufacturing roles, are particularly vulnerable. AI-powered chatbots and robotic process automation are becoming more sophisticated, threatening positions that were once considered stable. Segment 3. Adapting to the AI-driven future. The looming impact of AI and automation doesn't necessarily spell doom and gloom for the job market. As history has shown, technological advancements also give rise to new opportunities, leading to shifts in the job landscape. To thrive in this AI-driven future, individuals must take a proactive approach to upskilling and reskilling. Embracing lifelong learning will be essential to stay relevant in the job market. Governments, educational institutions, and companies must collaborate to provide accessible training programs and resources for the workforce to adapt. Segment 4. AI and human collaboration. It's essential to remember that AI and automation are not just about replacing jobs but augmenting human capabilities. Many experts believe that the real potential lies in human-AI collaboration. In fields like healthcare, AI can help doctors analyze patient data more effectively, leading to more accurate diagnoses. In creative industries, AI tools can assist artists and designers in generating ideas and improving their work. Segment 5. Ethical considerations. As we embrace AI and automation, it's crucial to address ethical concerns. Ensuring that these technologies are developed and deployed responsibly will be paramount. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI and automation hold tremendous potential for transforming industries and economies worldwide. While 300 million jobs might be exposed to this change, it's up to us to shape a future that capitalizes on the benefits of AI while ensuring a smooth transition for the workforce. What are your thoughts on AI and automation's impact on jobs? Do you see it as an opportunity or a challenge? Let's have a lively discussion in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and stay ahead.